Kublaya pi baro kiba pet ya kubor upet ngo cable news. Kimat bakong san jung kubor mentai kata yo kilong. Beta usumbut mintirang ba ban kangla di kinong Bangladesh ban mandrung tu sepok kajela. Kajuat banyasat halor kimat jing dawa hadeli namar ke jing bom yatli ki MP ka than chatela mingi ong UMP ka Raja Sabha. Pentip syakipulin lada syak dawa pisah hai keseng bhalang ong usumbut mintirang ba. Klat Hashem kawi kalong keme mensaujur unong nyak skuti batanra katerok haka surak Shillong bypass. Kentu kibor penyat distrik ya ki jaka pulia ban pediang bonut ki kena pulia ki bapas ya ki SSLC. Watnam INOC ban shna ya ke projek rel kat ba 4 yok shwa ya ke ILP ong ke Jantia Students Union. Ban yashim benta bon teli ke skul haka school sports ke balapan long da ke school St. Edmunds. Usembut mentirang ba kejala uba kami yeki kampo ying polis uba Preston Tensong ulah her cerilom garu bat hakas ngihat majai jong kata yau ulah lom yeki jingalang bat ke hep pulen bat betha yeki ban penklan bat ban perking bha hakitan kapun ban ailat yeki beriu nari Bangladesh ban rung tu syapo kejala.
Habai keren beginong patai kubor uba Preston Tensong ulong bagani kejingalang keletai sanibha lo kejing sngokia ya kejing persang bermandrong bean kinong Bangladesh bala betha badai ban penklan ya kejing petngor bat ban khanglat ya kejing mandrong bean uba Preston Tensong ulero ya kejing persang ban bat iki brio kebelarong bean bat kani kala seso da kejing trilang kebayajan hapadang kipulet kejela ki sipai ke border security force bat katanat custom. Ula banjor ya ke jingkongsan ban pentlanya ke jinge trilang jangki bor kaan halor kene ke benta. Bar ulia tuuru bu ula betha yau DIG ban pentikna ya ke jinge trilang bagi bor pahara ke sorkar pedeng. Bar ketenat custom ke badan hakatan kaput.
Teng lai shong meeting la ya review ya ki situation ya ki barok ki issue but ka ba skotan kolong bambai anat ka long peaceful barok ko ka region Jakarta Hills but ki police team nadu ki SP nadu DIG parok ki yadu tiadu dem khamtam mentah kini por ki badon katuka political turmoil hal dia po Bangladesh ha ka ba teng bun ki cases ki ba ke infiltration ka kiu ha kita ki border area jani dan kalian ki polis rengkat dengan jingat telang do bat ki custom nang dapat ki BSF ngilala ban pentingna baka infiltration jong kini ki beriu nang tena Bangladesh ka kudno lane kimla ya ka bandrung siapa ka jaga dan siapa kali ke jongi dan la ai susu direction yang porok ki subtenno police bakin long ki pikir ki pengor susu hakabede bat kan ki issue de kita ki review meetings ke banga don naduk mensiski atau menim apa karo Hills Parakowi.
Haka katsau terek uyayong arhajar arpusan uba Preston Tensong uba kemiru ya ketenat PWD. Ulalum ya kejingelang bagi ya officer bat engineer ni ketenat baper jong gerilum garo. Haka ni kejingelang letai sani halor ki kam gijam gibede bagi project shna surak haka lagi benta jong gerilum garo. Hagani kejingelang ki sorkar kelapan pau bagi kam gijam kilaya ceprang haga bedai bagi projek shna surok ki bakentop ik projek jong katanat road transport and highways ka PMGSY ka national highway bat ki state road naga benta kejumunto ki patba kerilom garo bat ban pensuk ya kalet kawan jong ki patba
hapo ka garo region Barakowi nadu ka PMGSY nadu kana ka state road ka national highway but kidon ki benta ki ba ki bede ruat bat ka RIDF ka CRF kat kum ki project ki bapera de ka ba skotanat kolomba jan ka wi pa ka project ka ba ngi ai sanction ne ki candidates nem ki ba dem no ki ba don ki ba ngi ai sanction ne ki candidate na ka kam ka progress of work along very satisfactorily ka yaj bet ke yarenti bad nga kermen skem satang kato ni por kidon ki ba ngin pendep stang si benayar na don no ki ba ngin dep how bakut jong ni ustem but don ki ba ngin pendep how ni ustem panuan te kalong ka ba sutnan ha ka ba ngai i ka progress of work ka balong ka ba bet ka ba biang bat kumju akabide pat ka PMGSY ru amar baro sikata ki bapun bahana do ka PMGSY 1 2 3 babod ki jing duna la ni ki jing tlot ki jing suki ka dei hapo ga Garo Hills para ko wei dei benta ka kanti ngai tanat ba la kum no kum ba kandai phosau kandai 100% ka kam ka yai pet ke yarati nado ka PMGSY1 ka ba sakot la bot teli prosnet den wei menta kalong in the verge of completion ka ba ngakan scam kan long ka jing toy ka ba krau ya ka region ni baro ai hang dia po Garo Hills nang ta mentang edang ya discuss su saya kan ka PMGSY4 ka ba nakaliang jong ka department nakaliang jong ki division ki subdivision hadu ka office jong CE jong PMGSY nilai do tia do dem ban submit saya support Delhi lamba jong kan ka omas ka ba kumba news pa kilitam ka omas kala accept ya ka proposal ka benta na ka benta kitu kisnong kitao ki bompat don connectivity nadu ki por maswa adu kini por ka benta but ya kaniru akan scam hadin ka tu kini por ni sayo ya ka list ka paka ka ba ngin sedang lu ya ka ban sedang no ban prepare ya kan DPR da ka benta ban sedang ya kini kikam ki bar dangsa hal itu kisnong kitao ki bompat don ka surok
Udukhan jong ke Parlimen Raja Sabha ke jela Dr. WR Khaluki hagas ngi hat majai jong ke tayo ulapan bana bahadian balakut no kesamoi trekam jong kumu MP ke Raja Sabha un syong no bat un tre syu ban beteng yakan nikakam
MP Syakar Raja Sabha na Meghalaya Dr. WR Khaluki ulakran syai bahadian balakut kesamoi trekam jong kumu MP Syakar Raja Sabha un syong no bat unom tre syuk bun beteng yang kam da ka bakadau bakarta ju kam ai lat syuk undang beteng kumu MP bat baklade ke poriu men IT haki wei pat ki kam ke brang biang bat karta ju laban kro hang ni bau Dr. WR Khaluki ulah syajit kumu MP Syakar Raja Sabha hagesnam arhajar arpo bat hagesnam arhajar arpun riau kan kut no kesamoi tre kam ju Habakran ni kelat patai kubor ka khat santri ujayong arhajar arpusan u Dr. WR Khaluki ulah kedoru bakumu MP wi bagajing saat teng gi babun ki mat jeng jela hakathan stelam ingi kolong namar bakam non gajing teli hapreng ki MP hakathan stelam ingi namar dali banduna ki MP kolong ka ba banesat holor ki mat jeng dawa jeng jela kumla GE bagi babun ki mat jeng dawa ki belada ban pediang nak yang dor bar tauan ki jela ndai hado menta ki dang saat teng bat ka sarkar pedeng kasingap jarjar
na try au June next year la kut la try ke isu kum sai la kham rang bai dan kami bilang yang ke isu bilang dan tamai sibra
Hadian ke jing sapriang ki kubor halo ke jing lumpisa ke seng bhalang na ke nong khaye hayo du hakas ngi balang jong ke tayo usembut mintirang ba ke jala uba khmi ya ka kampo ying uba preston tensong ula kentu ya ke nong khaye hayo du bat haki wei ki jaka ba ki dai ban pentip syakipulit lada ki syak dawa pisa haki ken hun seng bhalang
Habai kiran bikinong patai kubor uba preston tensong uloong baga sarkar jela kan lek rega beteng yaki kunhon seng bhalang ki belum pisa bean yakinong khai bar ula kiran ni kane ka de helor kijing sapriang ki kubor baki dor jangkir set ki balai da ki khartli ki seng bhalang ki belum khajna bean badawa pisa ni kinong khai he yodo ki bagantop ya ka Trap National Youth Front Trap National Youth Movement ke Poor People's Movement Trap Aceh National Movement kentop ru ki seng bhalang ki bamju asngo ki bakentop iki klor Trap North Federation, Trap People's Define Alliance, Trap Khasi People Movement, Trap People Youth Organization, Trap National Youth Council, Trap Youth Federation but ke United Khasi Council. Uba preston tensong uloong bula daptha iki bot pnya district entop yo superintendent ki pulet bagin let yakran ya baro kinong khayi ki bedon hayo do badakaleng ki jaka bagini ban pentip ki pulet lada dan kano ke jing dawa pisa kenang bagi pulet ki nyok ban le ya ke bedon kam na kaliang superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula kentu ki nong khayi nong syong dukan bagin mi khmat ban pentip ki bor pulet habadan kano ke jingwan num pisa ne jing dawa pisa bean Superintendent ki pulet 8 pauru bagi nong khayi ne nong syong dukan ki lak bandon ya ke jing syaptiang dai ulo kular pat bagi pulet kin buri ya ki kerteng jong kito ki ba ai ki jing tep
Yeah, see, as far as this slips or demand note or whatever you call, the law is there. the existing law is always applicable. So I've already instructed our district administration, including our SP, to communicate to all the stakeholders, not only in Yeodu alone, but in the entire state. If they have any kind of doubts or if they have any kind of threat pertaining to the donation or pertaining to the forced, I should say, forced subscription to be made by the concerned shopkeeper or whatever, they should not hesitate to report to the police personnel anytime, any moment, so that action can be taken.
Yes.
So that is my request to all the concerned. Please make sure, don't hesitate at all, don't have doubt. You can even just call, just over phone. We already have a standing number phone, emergency phone, where you can anytime call us and we will respond accordingly.
Kahinaw Trap Youth Council HYC Sengkimi hagas ni hat majai jong katayo kalalet yakandu yaw MP Karaja Sabha ban kentu ba unshim khalam bat ka sarkar pedeng hakabia day ba ka jingtungkam hapo ka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences NIGRIMS kamtam ban bha yak ratio ka ba prapho la arpho yakinos kanthai bat shinrang.
Habai keren ba presiden ka HYC ubak roy ko parsenram ulong bagaseng hagini tayo belalet bani kendo ikino punya jangan negrims bandra akimat beper mandawa ban penbet ikurkom tungkam ndege jubab ke bakio na keno punya ke negrims kalong ba kampen hon ni kino ngelam jang seng HYC ba pelong pada keseng meneki akimat office terikam jang director ke negrims ubak roy ko parsenram mulia tho ba kilawan bani kendo no UMP Karaja Sabha ba kani ke jeng mani kendo kalong namar bagi dan kami kinong ikmat na kejela bakin keren ya kimat ke bakta ke jela hadali ya ke bakdo bagaseng keladak banpa ke jing tok UMP ke Lok Sabha u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ba UMP Syaga Lok Sabha wa Natura usaleng sana bakin chimkhia kini kam bat ha kakat santre uyayong arajar arpusan kle kendo UMP Karaja Sabha kamtam namar bodu UMP na keseng kabadan hak sarkar bo nya kran ni kimat ba keseng kalabu ubaroi kupar senram ulaong ba keseng kalabu akmat ya kijing dawa bantong prapo na kisispa ikinas kiberi kentai bat arpo na kisispa ikinas kiberi kishinrang hak babaro kitanat trekam jongka da kebak kedoru ba kijing bamkwa ban trekam director kedai grims sekania kedai namar bale se ukwa banwara kampun chocho ikinas kiberi kishinrang hane grims kumlaja hak ni kisnam kibalale Habayo abne keren badu MP Syakaraja Sabha Dr. WR Karluki ulang bahalor kene gamat bala pensengo de HYC unsa shimkia bane keren lang bagi MP kejela kenang bakin la bane keren kani bat ke sarkar pedeng
kabakaseng kelalet po ni grims kani katayo beladab ban ra ikimat kiba fair ban bu kejing dawa akmat jong kani akmat jong kinong penya jong kani grims berhadin ba nakaliang jong kani grims kila ai ngi kejubab atau kesingi kebang ila pelong ngi kejing ki Ahmad Office Trekam jong director jong ke Negrims ngim sohun ya ki jubab ki bana kaliang jong ke Negrims kala ai hangi ti kumbakalong hi kini kimat ki bangi ngisim kimdi kimat kibade kimat tang jong ka seng HYC ngi ngisim bakini kini kimat ki bakhta ya ki kon samla jong ka jai bendri ki bakhta ki nong song snong jong ka jela hi bro ko bat kum ka jela kum ki nong song snong jong ka jela ngi don ru ki nong mi khmat ki jongi kiban long kata kasur kaban keren na kapta jongi hang thia po New Delhi lane kiban keren namta jongi bat kibor sarkar jong ka sarkar hang thia po Delhi ti menta nakaliang jong ka seng kini kisi ki beladab ngilapha ki sithi ki jongi show MP jong ka Lok Sabha na po ka Shillong parliamentary seat ngilapha ru ya ka sithi ha MP ka Lok Sabha na po Tura seat bat ngilayo ru banyak kenduk menta kasi MP jong ka Raja Sabha ubami ikmat ya kani ka jala ka jongi ngisutu ru bom dei tang bumi khmat ya kajala ka jongi hendre udei ru u bawan na kaseng kabadon lang ha kaliang sensar hang tie po Delhi mau dei benta ka NPP ka desi benta ru jong ka NDA tengi ka jengwan ka jongi menta kasingi kalong ban keren ban mirjengmut baru MP jong ka Raja Sabha Baon keren ya kini kimat ki ba kaseng kalashim. Namar ba kumang ong yepi UMP ujongi wala UMP Raja Sabah umdeu bangijit directly laning ijit mangi kipat ba andre dejit lajit ya udah kinong mi khmat ki ba upat ba ulah pha ang te pu yung ba thawan ki jongi kamot indirectly ngidei mangi kipat ba ki bejit ya u banlet banlong kata kasur ko jongi hapo ka council of mo ka council of members kebadan hang te pu Raja Sabah ti nakaliang jong kaseng ngila keren syapang gajing e ka ba ki khun samla ki jongi ki kendo khamtam e hakbai dei ba tung kam tung jam hang te pu nigrems pilai ya ki jeng dawa ki ba kaseng kalabu kata ka prapo la arpo persen ka bang yong ba ki dei bantung ya ki nurse ki badi ki kentai bat arpo persen ki senrang ngila pen ki kot kisla hakmat jong MP jong Raja Sabah ba kumnu ka iem skala banle ya kata ka policy banwanra ya kata ka prapo la arpo persen kumno ka jipma ka badai kata ka Institute of National Importance ka bakaong kakala ban penteri kam ya kata ka policy ka ba prapo la arpo persen ndai tan kita ki babun ki weipat ki institute la ni kita kitna tri kam jo ka sarkar India bakila ban rai ban shim ya ka rai bakin penteri kam ya kata ka prapo la arpo persen ngi persya ya ka jingkran jong director jong ka nigrems haka tu kasingi hadin ka tu ka jingwan ka jong yang te ban ong ba omdon ka wi ka institute ru hapo India ka menteri kam ka prapo la 4% nangingi don ki kot kislay ka bangila ai ru ha u MP jong Raja Sabah ban ngila pha ru sha u minister jong ka health and family welfare jong ka sarkar India ban pen i baki wei ki institute jong ka sarkar India ki menteri kam ka ni ka prapo la 4% de ka belengok kalong batang hanigrems omla ban menteri kam ka ni ka prapo la 4% nginget bakani kajing bom trikam kajing bom kwa jong director jong kanigrim span pentrikam me kani ka prapo la 4% kadai nama bu kwa le si bon wanra khambun shu kita kina senrang hante po nigrim kumbala ja kini gisnam ki bladam pada pipet ya ka recruitment hausnam arja khat kendai arja arpuwei arja arpu life nam ba kibabun kibasya thungkum kita gina sangte po nigrims kidei di kisenrang ngingim kwa kumangiong ilapan para ka basay ba ngim kwa ba kani ka katren banwanra ikini kina senrang kanang bun wat hakani ka recruitment ka pementalan ikini gisnam ki bansawan kumtang ilabu ka jeng dawa khmat jong ka nigrims ilabu ka jeng dawa khmat jong ka union ministry jong ka health and family welfare ngila kerpat ya ki MP ki jongi nadu ki MP jong Lok Sabha bat ki MP jong Raja Sabah begini ban sim kya ni kam ngim kwa ba hakajaka ba maki kin sim ya ban sim ki ya ka jingki kli ban long kata ka sur nam ta jongi ngi gum ki seng balang lani ki pat ba ngi hab ban mi sakma ka jing sisa ka deiru ka kamram ka jongki ban kren ki jing ki bangi ni kendu kum ki nok sok snong ka chala kam da de ka kamram jongi seng balang ban mi na kapor sa kapor kadi ka kamram ka jongki kadi ka responsibility ka jongki ban mi sakmat ti ka jing ya kendu ka jongi mata kasi kadi kata ka we ban pun so thu ban ai ki kot kisla ban kentu ban kerpat ru ya UMP jong Raja Sabah bu de ban sim kya na kaliang ka jongi ila assure yangi ila ai yangi ba ila ong yangi ba na kaliang ka jongi in sim kya ban let yi kendu ban tho ban let yi kendu ru wat ya u minister in charge jong ka health and family welfare ha by de bikini ki mat ki bangi na kaliang jong seng ila bu na ka benta bandawa ya ka lat yo kami jam hapo nihu hapo nigrems kumju ru by de bakatu ka prapo la 4% kajing tum kami kinas but ikinas ang tepo nigrems ngiyo i ka statement jong u chief minister ajing siya ngim kwa hiru ban react ya ki statement ki bagum gitu kumbang ong ya pi hakajing sisa kamle ka kamram jong ka HYC ban let ban yakhi na ka banta ban penyu onong lane ban penyu kam yo jam ki khon samla ki jongi ka kamram kadi ka jong kinong mi khmat ki jongi ka kamram kadi ka jong chief minister jongi kumun noy lam jo ka sarkar ban pentik na bagi khon samla ki jongi ki de ban yo kam hagini ki central government institute lane hang nuru Dai namar bu chief minister jongi namar baki minister ki jongi ki nom ikhmat ki jongi kim shim ya kata ka kamram ban pentre kam hok ya kata ka kamram ka jongi ban si ban pelong ki HYC baka ban mi syakmat bat balai ka pelong ingi bangin let tu kasngi po negrems ka de namar bangi yoi bagi bor penya jo ka negrems kim snap ya ki jing dawa ki basyong nongrem ka jongi ni hab ban let ni hab ban yakhi ahmad jong ka office jong director wat ni yoi ka jing ong jong chief minister bangimla ban pentut ya ka hospital dai ngatrai baro bayi ki bayo i bat ki ba teb kitep bangi khamlet ban sei ki nong pang na po kamera bagi tiapang menuan rak syabar ringi letah ka jaka trikam ka ba u director trikam ni ong ni u ba unwan syabar ngini keren namar bangi lathat bani keren hapo kami lada ngilathat bani keren hapo conference room ka jong u namar ki jeng keren ki syukut tang ki jeng keren ban jendala dai bangimle kumtu ngimeki to kasni nginom yo hiru ka jubab ka bangi ngilabu ngilapan la sita yo tam sya ka to kasni ti kani ka pen i bakadon ka filia jong ka sarkar ka jongi kapen iru bakadon ka filia jong wat jong ki no mi khmat ki jongi ki MP ki jongi ki balet ban mi khmat le si hapo haki yeng dor bar thawan jong ka ri India he bro koi bakimpet bakum kini ki kim dei banja jen lada ki noilam ki jongi hakapor bagani grims kawan hakapor bagani hu kawan kila don lupa kita ki jingate kin don lupa kita ki jing perkhat jengai bagi kun samla kin yo kam ngim don kam yang ban mi syakman ban yaki ha kita kijaka trikam lane kita kijaka sumar ya ki patba nong shong snong dapat jalan dari namar ba om sim lale ya kata kambansi yang ngiru mengihap pat ban sim ya kum itu kilat gelinti nang ban petik na bagi kun samlah ki jongi kin yo ya takalat kam ya kelat yo kam yo jam ba mdi takat taru nang mengin la ban yada ya kini kejingwan kajing yo alat lani kajing pentrikam bakla wat ya ki rule ki kendon ki ba kini ki jaka trikam hapo kani gajala ka jongi jong sorkar India ki trikam
Ka Deputy Commissioner jong ke East Khasi Hills ka kong RM Kurba hakas ngi balang jong katayo kala pentim bahadien bakaladon ke jing pas ba ki kena ek examine secondary school living certificate SSLC mentakasnem kabala pois ka para phonyo point iwe not nakashispa kumta kala lom ye ke jialang bat ki borpin ya jong ki jaka puli bakenyale ban pediang ya bon ngot ki kena puli haka class 11
Kajing pas bah ki kena hak examen SSLC naga matrek mentak kesnam kabala poi syaka prapunyo point iweno naksispa kala banwara kajing kuslai pat ki kena pulia halor kajing aban yo yaki admission na kebentaban pulia ka kelas 11 halor kania nak liang ke sarkar jela kelas kya ban pentikna barok ki kena skul ki deban yo ka jaka pulia ka babiang Habe kran bat ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong RM Kurba haka khandru trek wiayong arhajar arpusan Leto pemerintah kesenam ki kena belapas ya ke matrik ki poi syakasan pusan hajar saus pa anyo pulai ngut. Patang ha ke distrik East Khasi Hills ki skol ke beladon ya ke higher secondary section ki don shispa anyo pusau teli. Ki belalak ban pediang tang arpuar hajar ngut ki kena pulia. Kumta kani kalak banwan ra'i ke jing ki kena pulia ki bokok banwan pulia ha ke distrik East Khasi Hills. Kumta ke sarkar kalakot ke jingyalang ya barok ki Deputy Commissioner ban watlat halor kani ke jing Haka bedai berkenian negaliang ke office ka Deputy Commissioner haka kat sau trek wiayong arhajar arpusan. Kalau penlong dah kejing yalang lengbaga Zoom meeting bat barok ki principal jeng ki skol banekran halor keni. Ikong RM Kurba eliathu bah keni kejing yalang larai bagi skol ada kila ban kampen bon ki seat. Bagian lek kumta ndrai keni kejing penbon seat ban priang hi kena kambon kamdai pat ban kata ekor kom hikai. Lihathu ru bahagian ke jingalang lasyam badan ni skol ke badan hadu si hajar teligisit dragi kena ke buan mancam application ke dunabha walakini ki skol ke dai ke badan ke arts science but commerce stream rangkat bagi hikai balbaro ke jingdan kam ki biang ban ke hikai ki kena skol bat ki weni ke daw bagi jingduna ki kena ban wat skol ru kala bandai banamar bagini ki skol kempen sapriang ya ki jingtep kumta ki kena kemtep halor kini ki skol Nagaliang office ka Deputy Commissioner kalabo iki kerteng jong kisispa asau punyo teli ki skol kebadan ki higher secondary section ha ka District East Khasi Hills ha ka website jong ka kenang bagan long jing arab ya ki kena puli bat kintip halor kini ki skol Ikong RM Kurba ilong ru bahakane ka jing kendo lasku tho ba ka jing keno pedunasi ke datang ka jing keno namar ki kena ki jet tang ya ki jaka puli ke bala kampau bat ke bakamon cekmat kumta ki kena ki ya be yakum kita ki skol. Kad bagi bai pat ki skol ki bagi seat ki paho an ragi kena iduna man apply. Kumta ila kentu ki kena puli bakin wat lat ki bai ki skol ru ki badan ha District East Khasi Hills kenang bagan umdan ka jing syakta ban beteng ya ka jing puli.
Ka jing pas ya ka SSLC minta senam ka ka bebun. Ti ngi iru ka jing kapnya jing ki college da ka jing don long ka jing wan jing ki dan nong kendong rongi iki wan sia sor silong ki iki senjam ki ba nakaliang ke district iki kala syem halor kani
Kebanyakan dia kat aku boleh berok kita kena kita pass bahaya kan ni ke exam hakan ni ke SNM ya kelas 10 mentau SNM saya kelas Q mo kita pass kita langsung pesan hajar sesuatu ni lainun but kemencu orang ibi hapo is kasih sini dan tang sispa so punya tuli ki sekolah ni college ki badan kelas 11 dan 12 the capacity jumi lu badan kembang hapo is kasih si capacity jumi kita tak aku hajar sound spa 100%. Mo bapa 100% hajar. Mo keep that in mind. Capacity jumi dia tak arko hajar sound spa 100%. So ke bang mission kalong ke jing kalong ba ni hadian bang yo kata kubur ba kata rush kata ni bagi beriu kim yo admission you know that kind of thing. Te hadian bang yo kata information te ni le no nak kalian sekarang kila akad meeting hi ya bakal DC ban check ban appeal mo ya ki school bikin increase ke capacity jangki sibuk mentah kadang ke school kepada seat ang kendai portali ban increase na ke Spanish pa pokat kesyong pada haga ke jing dan ki classroom ke mo ndala le kata halo jang pada jing tha jang sapa ngapenong ke meeting bat berkait principal ha ke Monday kat South Tari. Bat hang tu mission ba ke di school ki ba for example ke right lapan mo itu principal yang ba madan sitsi ada tu. Nakali ikin mekai kita ne yang kita. Kat ba ki bat application ki bat have ki long very few. Figure dan I realize ba so kani kade ke jing dunasit kade ke bangisna hi mangite ka bamat bangi diet ya kinugi institution banne di itu ki institution ki ba compound noun ki ba kaman chakmat ki ba jiyo ki first then ki aka ki be itu ki school so hangta kalong artificial kind of gap dan ke bangisna hi mangi ke gap ndi ki school ki college ki dot mo so hadin bayar long kata ka meeting bagi principal dia kat santri ngayo ki ni appeal fi ban pen increase capacity jong fi di sngo bahaban ai ni revise capacity jong fi tang ba what compromise ya ka quality mo tap ada kumtu sibon yo quality ban hikai ka ni no te kata nimpwa tingla ya kan dak bas lu ki revise kata ka sitting capacity jengki but kila ayi ni kat sampai kata minin but minin hi ngalapen mi bai ba namar ba ka list untuk si spa sa punyo tali school te kalong big kalong palki tingla abu ha website jemu te juga district te but mila ong ham tu ki kita ki increase capacity jengki school kila abu pet na tu ki kena kili wa admission kin pet na ka website jemu is passes ya ki bala kin apply si kita ki college sama makali ki lada kila adam lupa ki stream arts ki commerce ki science stream pi biang ne em ki you know ka let's suppose lab tech science and commerce ki no hikai ru mo nde tan kala ki dem dan ki ongi don dan balik ki man ki kena sini kita de jing ki ba ki bo dengan machine ni kadi ka la ban ong ki kena somehow ban page wish kidan ki school kidan ki ba maybe ka issue ka lang kindi ki school ki bangidon ki project ti ladi naman ta kadi marketing mo hable marketing mo ki school kim ne ya kata so ki ble ki la banung tip badan bakidon kita ki school ki babiang ki no ki babiang ki facility ti naman ta kata le kata exercise bagi komisioner di DSU jemi bagi dapat mi kan ke list menin kami balad kan website so have a check the website
Kawai kalong kami kala klat hashen kat ba unong nya eka tuk ulaman saujur haga singu blay jong kata yo baladem haba kawai katrok kala tenra kensan ya kini ka tuk bat kala pet krat tang maria dep tenra haga surok Shillong bypass hajan katendai resort kabadan ha umroi Ribhoi district
Hagawi kijingja ka basmusi kawi kalong kami kala klan no hasyan ka bawi pat ulaman saujur. Harian ba ka skuti ka bakila syong kala syarat no kawi truk ka pet kerat tang maretenra ekne ka skuti. Kini jingja kelaja ha ka janmiet jong ka khatlai trek wi yong arhajar pusan ha ka por sau bejei e janmiet hak surok ba Shillong bypass umroi hajan ka Tendai resort. Kakubar beli alum kelai tu bakalom kami kelan wahsyan hagani kejingja kadi kebeletip kerteng kong ke kong sidora lang setia arp kendai senam kerta kabasyong hanong sediar blok B. Bad ubel mensau pat udah beletip kerteng komu rising lalu laipo senam kerta na umroi nongra. Layuk jeng tibru bagani ketrok ke bam syim lalap syuk kebetenra agani ke skuti kebetenra number ML Not Sun AA kendai pra. Kat bagadang hiar na umroi umdok berthi sya umroi nongra. Mana kaliang kipulet ka kap mara PIC kelapoi marmar kena kejakaban penolong ya kejing tokit. Yau bala mensau lara no marmar sya boy rembong CHC na kebenta ban yo ban ai kejing sumar. Bat kipulet kedang penolong ya kejing tokit ban lap kesai ketrok kabala tenra ya kene ke skuti.
Kipait no shong shnong jong ka khat saumer Tamil Kuchi Ribhoi district hakasimba ar jong ka tayo kila pentip sakatanat wildlife jong ka Ribhoi district halo ke jinglap ya hati khlau ubala yap hapo khlau bat hadien baladap banle ya ka postmortem hakasingi ka babut la thangno ya uni hati da ka ba bot rinti ya ki kandon jong ka wildlife protection act.
Kibor ketenat wildlife ke distrik Ribhoi haka kanreu trek yong arhajar orpusan kila pendap no bantang ya kamet jong weu hati klau ubalayap ka klau ko bahap ho ka khatsau mer Tamil Kuchi. Mereka met jong weu hati latang dak bobot tek kat kum ki kendon jong ka wildlife protection act kata hadian bala pendap ya ka postmortem. Hagi jing pendap ya ka postmortem bat bantang no yang weu hati Laidon langru da Usachin Gavadev DFO Wildlife Shillong, Dr. Duwaki Rangat, Assistant Professor ke St. Edmunds College Shillong, uba Lining Walang Range Officer ke Wildlife jong ke Distrik Ribhoi bagi nong tray jong ke tenan. Habakran ki nong patai kubor na kaliang DFO le pentip bahaka step jong ka khatsan trek uyayong, kilio jing tip na kinong chong shnong ka khatsau mer Tamil Kuchi. Ro ke jinglap eka met jong hati ubalayap aka klau hakane ke shnong. Kumta marmar kibor ke wildlife kila chikane ke jaka ban penlong ya ke jing tokit bat man lap ke jing yap jong neu hati. Leto ru ba ke jing tokit lalap bong neu hati ulayap hadien bula syak lempat agi sainar elektrik balai pulai KV. Kibala nok bahas jan kendo kumta la pentip ru kibor jong ke MEECL bat ke MEPDCL ban lech chikane ke jaka bat ban thung nok ki pos elektrik ke bakam jrong ban lat ni ke jing mensau ne kino ki jing ja ki bas ngusi.
Ki di rang ba jong ki kila ai ka jing petip shengi haga bade bat ka jing lap jong ki riun nong shong shnong na kani ka jaka yo tau hati ba yap haga ni ka jaka ti kile don lang bat ngi hi adu menen kil sewan sa shpang long pasum ai jing kuble ki kuni ko ya uni hati lalap ka shnong riun jong shong shnong bat kila suba bo shabat hakala wa elektrik ti na kale jongi mar masintip ngilai poi shikani ke jaka ngilai persyang ban nadu bani mir ngia sa sini baru shimet bani ap mo ba kanam don keno alor ba u hati ula yap te kumbalong isa mentan ba inon kam ban pen kena ba ni hati ngin hap thang kum karul te yak bang lale menta te nakaliang ki doktor mani kilewan kile pelut kapor ba kodor jongki bat adu menta ki bat ai ka report jongki hari kile shetho engi ba kadai hina kejing sabat lai hakajing sotho mo yong badangim thang sumudur ngiatep yuni hati sumudur isim kanuksa yo ba atep don gibreu ki baniyati kini od ya gibinyet ki od kini kita kata kalong be an de ban laj na kita gi e karul pemi de ban thang ba khnang ba kanong de pelut baro.
This is basically death of elephant due to electrocution. This electrocution happened due to low sagging 33 kV electric line. Now this is unfortunate incident that it has happened unnatural death of one wild elephant. Just to take this remedial measures, we already instructed the MECL to check out such points where the elephants may cross. Will do in coordination with the MECL one survey, and we'll try to rectify these errors or the areas where the these voltage lines are low hanging, especially 33 kV. Now, after this incident, we come to know, as per procedure, we have to dispose of carcass under Wildlife Protection Act. There are disposal of wildlife article rules 2023. As per that, committee has already been made. Then we all members were present, and then in their presence only, this carcass is burned. Now, this actually veterinary department has done a post-mortem report. They have not given their official report. Still, prima facie, what they revealed to us is that this is death due to electrocution. This is unnatural death, and they will submit report through their competent authority to us maybe tomorrow. So with that will be a kind of evidence or report for us. So as per procedure, now we are just disposing of carcass through incineration. So there should not be any stealing of wildlife article such as its tusk and some other parts of the body. So we'll dispose of carcass as per that procedure.
O Superintendent of Police Jonker East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem ulakan tu ye kinong chung akai ladaki kwa banlit ka shikino kino kijaka kide banlit ringkat bat ki guide ne kinong yalam lenti kanang bakin light nakano kano ki jingja ka basongsi da ka balit hi shakijaka ki balong riat ne badon kiwa.
O Superintendent ki Pulet ke District East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem. Ulong bagalong badan kami kinong wan jung okai pertai balada ki temu penit bikai ya ki jaka ha megalaya kede penit lang baki guide bat ban kya ban pentip ki jaka bakisa bat shanu ki temu ban let bat ban panru ya u emergency number UAR kanang ban tem kano kono ka jingja ka basniu haba kerana lo ka jingyap unong wan jung okai pertai negeri Hungary u belajar narok arp kundai trek uleber bat belalap ekamet yap ju ha ka shpo trek uyayong arajar arpusan naga klau rengkuskan ke bahap popok ilaka ramdaj hasyala. Uba Vivek Siem mule itu baka met kelap odlot kumta kala kam ban itu ekadaw bulaklat. Nrei kawai galong baka midan kano kejing tombor ne kejing syatu namar kitiar kitar ju ubaro kidon hi bat kala benlong namar bu kempang bat kam dai badan ke tombor yu. Ulong baya ka postmortem ladak benle halor kania bad nakatrat forensic kila poish kena kejaka bat kamet menta kadang don ha civil hospital bad andang up ke jubab no secretary ka embassy bene ke jubab ni ke bahayeng kenang bagian nak menwan shimti no ekamet lane bakin pendep no ya kamet ke jung Uba Vivek Siem ul kentu ginong wanjung okai pertai ban am lihat marwe kamtam shikijaka klau baik baki dai banit lang baki guide ban tip bahai ke jinglong juman ke jaka bat galong badan kam ya kinong wan jung okai perthai ne ki wei kiri bakin age jing tip babania aki form ha bagi poi shi jaka sa jung ki kenang bakan long ke jingerap dan kano ke jingja da ke bakadoro bakatnat pulet kan chim khiaru ne kinong chong snong badan ki jaka jung okai perthai babikin bu ro ki sign ban kedau lenti kinong let nong wan kenang ban la ban om bakla lenti kinong let nong wan.
We've only actually, in fact, many things have come in the papers. But as of now, postmortem has been done, postmortem has been done. Forensic team has visited the place of occurrence. And now the body is in civil hospital morgue. We are awaiting any communication from the embassy as to whether any relative would come and take over the body or they want the final rites to be completed in Shillong. Yeah, we're in touch with the embassy, and the embassy is in touch with the family members.
So, what will be your suggestion for precautions to tourists to visit difficult area terrain?
Well, first thing is don't go for trekking alone. The first thing is don't go for treks, especially to places where you have a lot of forested areas alone. Number one, that's the I think thumb rule of trekking. Don't go alone. Number two, for foreign tourists, take a guide, get to know the place, get hold of a trekking club or a trekking vendor or which actually provides the services and all that. For foreign tourists, it's very important that when you check into a hotel, you fill up the sea forms and all that. Otherwise, we will show cause the hotel or the guest house, which actually doesn't ensure C-form entries for foreign tourists. So these things, and then people once they uh, check into a hotel, they should find out what are emergency numbers in case they require any police emergency. We've had many cases in Mauseo, Nongriat area where people have got lost and all that. But thanks to the 112, people have called and Sora police station have responded swiftly. And this is not the first time that a tourist is lost. Many has got lost. Many tourists have got lost, but they call 112 because they've inquired. In case I'm in a situation where I'm lost, what do I do? So that is very important to know the route. Where is the route? What is the usual route? Then I would urge that we will take it up. In fact, Sora has taken up with the villages also that we'll have main signages, so that people don't veer off from the main route, trekking route. Yeah. So these are some of the precautions they should take.
So as far as the death is concerned, is it because of the fall from fall to the?
When the body was in a decomposed state, so we cannot ascertain how actually he died. But there's one thing I can be very sure, and is that there's no signs of any robbery or attack for gain, or you know uh, because his things are intact, his bag is intact, his phone is intact, everything is there. There's nothing lost. So I rule out at this juncture. I rule out anything whereby probably anybody has done any harm. He probably, because of his history of rheumatic pains and all that, for which he had taken medicines, had got a set of medicines out here. So I rule out that it may be have caused by any other factor, except for probably he must have fallen, because that is a route which the villagers don't even traverse. So I rule out anything which is. Yes, it was pretty difficult because number one is the place is vast. Uh, there's steep precipice everywhere, so slopes all around that place. Then the place is very thickly forested, uh, and so it was not an easy job. Where we had later we had to involve the SDRF, we had to involve the villagers, we had to involve the drone control center. So a whole concerted effort was by different teams and all that. The final day, in fact, 6 teams had moved on to different places, and we had to take the help of find out from villagers who saw him last in which place, so then zero on that area. So it was not an easy job, and in fact, move away from the main trekking routes to non-descript or non-important trekking routes. So that took a lot of time, but it took a number of days. I mean, from the time he went missing on 29 March till the day he was found.
Halor ke jingklat home guard constable ha ko nong
This Home Guard
asa
constable had
ba vivek sie mule tho bo ni home guard constable yo bala chuk teng ko ribok har sawian lalet shak NDRF
and he went missing on the
teriak
9th
syari ha asam
April.
manyo ke jingkai pentebet ba kamdai ha guhati
7 p.m.
bola ja ka khandai terik ya yong ha pot nyo ke jan miet ba lalap yu ha kesil bobot ba lalap ka met ju
So
ha
his body, the
golipur ha
postmortem
ke jala
has been
asa
done. They didn't find any major injury.
uba vivek sie mule tho bahag postmortem ke bala dep lalap
Because of the
bahag
fall.
met ju amdan kanu kanu ke jimun saw bajur
A
lan
UD
dot
case
tang
has
ha
been
ko wai ka ti
registered
ju
in
kaba la ban jana ka jing ur ke jing
We
ulia
in touch
si
with
bala dep man
SP
register mo ka duma
Abdul Prudent.
ha ka
He will apprise us.
teriak syari police station
So as of
Nak
now,
kulit ke
all
jela
clear.
kan trilang ba pulit ke
As
asam
of now, we'll
alo
wait for the postmortem report. This Home Guard constable had gone for training to NDRF in Chapsari, which is in North Guwahati, and he went missing on the 9th of April at about 7 p.m. And they found him that evening, or the next morning in Goripur. So his body, the postmortem has been done. They didn't find any major injury, but only there was a slight injury on his elbow, which may have happened because of the fall. A UD case has been registered in Changsari police station. We're in touch with SP Kamrup Rural, and he will apprise us on the post-mortem report.
So as of now, no foul play is
As
suspected.
of now, we'll wait for the post-mortem report.
Member of Parliament MP Karaja Sabha jong ke jela u Dr. WR Khaluki u balong ru unong yalam keseng NPP ulaong ba ke jingkentat jong keseng San Partai Voice of the People's Party VPP banya shembenta ha ke jalang banya keren halo ke railway umla bantip lakadai kaliang persya ke banya te ne ke ban penjon
Megalang persya ke betai pada kejing kentat joka Malaysia mata kejing yalang benekaran lor kimat jong kejela kade kejing tei ne kejing penjot ulaong ba omla bentip ulaong ru ba ke projek shnalentiral harilum khasi jantia kalakut katkum kejing sutho jong u namar ba sarkar kladap ban penpai ke pisa namar omla asyuk bentip hadian katno nang yo opat e kamang tengka sa hisien bekil penpai ke pisa kalong keba e shisha ban yo obyang Halor kejing dawa ke VPP bantung da kejing toket halor kejing syaram harilum jentia. Ulang ba kejing pan kejing toket halor kejing syaram harilum jentia kalong ke belengo. Namar lada ke VPP ke syaram kalong ke bemiat hok. Hendrai lada ki job ke biang lut. Kadan ru kejing keno naki ba kila syaram namar kejur kejing syak tombor. Hendrai udan ke video ke bapen i ki yeng jong nong kersan ke NPP. Ubala syak tombor ba syak kawang mau da ki nong kersan jong ke VPP. Uba WR Khaluki ulaong ru ba umshim la yoi kata kejing penram ke bami na kinong yalam jongki. Kibakam kiba iya jad benrio bat kumno ki keno bak syak tombor bat kani kamde ki ke hendrai ke kamrunar ke ba ka VPP ke Kershan Pura long shosho uba WR Khaluki.
Ki gil don lagi jong kecing perkat jong ki rengan ang perkat ba kata ke i don kam opposition gulong konstruktif ke tidak ke ba melek ki meeting kini kita itu tip ke konstruktif ni destruktif ni dengan tip hari ke sulong ba ke railway mitala pisalah surrender la ai no sih kayu tu atrak la ko di isu
Tapi ikat no kan long jing do nong pat ya ka jela la da ngimdon ya kata ka railway.
pi sulong tang ni ke ni hab ya kat kum sur jong bai ba telur bai ba om tre te government ka hapun num tre
Hakabaya day begini ki weki mat pat sangi ki dang bun bah ki mat ki ba dang sateng langi kerana ka ILP ne ka ketin kasi ini ti kum nong mi khmat hi sate ke senjam ki ba
pi
pension
tang ni man ner man keren ba ki ni kena samlang SYC ok bung idon kam ko long ba idon kam ko ji tili jong ba lo not isi bro ko be you can no issue ko ba don ngi ki tan la ngim ya tili la ngim yo aki MP ki ba kumon ong ha mdai ba ngapan kesan ke parti lo jong ba kawai ke parti ne ke not east dengan sem ba kanu sem jing ha ba deli ban ban ya fight the issue jong ni mantan la kanu betul la pas la kanu na ka assembly jong yi ka INP ke yun nak mamam ba deli
ke daw so ba sate ka long
taw ko long ngim ya tili ke ngim tili ngim don bot Italy te ngin yo kasan arpo MP na North East kum hagani le coalition politics la de ka bor bala ban penhap sarkar ban penjeng sarkar mak politics dai tang kata
Yeah, but indeed, but
ni ILP le ship gina kalan gini ga aruna chal gini barok la no do swa ban yo independence kala don ka ILP barki ba ka wanra ga government na do ko por ka paring gini kala don barki Tiada tangga Manipur kan juga ada kurang suah sen. Tapi Manipur tu la dengan bakalang apa itu, Home Minister Om Kim Don District Council nomor ketanya IT ke ILP.
Watla ke jela ke lapan trekam ya ke Smart City Project hakanong ba Shillong henry tang maria ther uslap ki babun kinala kileshlai umlut bat kani ke lapan bitari ki pat ba ke jing pentre ya ke ni project kam shimla ajing mentoy henry ke lapan thot penban ya ke let ke wan jongki
Ha kini kisni balawan uslap kinong shnong kilamar kejing na kejing mi kejing saateng ki katuk ania ki project Smart City hakanong ba Shillong laga dai kejing shlai ha kejing tei kanala hasa forlong ne kesurak kebadan hala chumia kebala pendra kejing kenyum ke bakrau na ki pat ba habayo bani keran bodu sembut menteri rang ba kejela ubadai ru ban kemi akat tanat penroisor uba senyaw balang dhar Hakakat sau trek uyayong aro hajar arpusan uleto bagi projek kebarang saateng hapo ke smart city on IT no jakatanat PWD jong sarkar jela bakan pendap. Bad halor kania nak kaliang ke PWD kan penkre ke detail project report ban penbhai kini ke projek kebarang saateng. Ula pentip bro bagi-bagi projek bala pentre ha ke smart city ki yat bed bad boni ke projek ke lajandap. Bad baro kini jingshna hapo kena projek la kermen bahaga senam arajar apun rio on la ban pendap lut yaki. Halor ke projek bedai baglentiral. Ubak senyaw balang dahar ulong bahalor kani menteri rangba ulo jubab syai bat chen menteri rangba un sakot ke jingelang bad baro kinong elam sengsan pertai rengkat bad baro ke beren bentalang hakre gemat bani keren halor kani. Da ke bakadauru bakadam dan kanu gejing persang banwan ra ekel tiral haga jela klam dayo gejing menjur ke bapura na baro kinong syong shnong ke jela. Halor gejing pengkan ria ya gejat mendru harijan na them yo mohulong leto basyan gatanat kan sekot gejing elang kinong elam ke harijan panchayat committee. Halor gejing dawa jengki kibalabun giding pengkyang komta dang don ka menekran ba bat ban khot biang ya gejing elang. Halur kekat lengsun ubak senyaw balang dhar ulong ba ukermen bahaga senam arajar arpun riu on yo kekat lengsun ke bathamai ha ke bagajing pentre menta kalaya ceprang bagajing siu ki bai jakala jandap bat kisipai ru kelakloy bania terilang halor kani.
We can take, no?
Yeah, okay.
Can you tell?
About the projects, all the project is good progress as of now. And for the road, you are asking me that is, we are already stopped from smart city, and now the PUD is preparing for the fresh DPR to resurface all the city roads to replace the smart road because, as per the design previously, is not feasible because the road is the width is too small, and then there is one of the reasons it's not feasible. So we close it incomplete, and we are proposing for the fresh one to resurface from the PUD, not from my department. So now I think the project is yet to be sanctioned in a very short time. So we will get a good resurfacing road within the city from the PUD road.
In one particular road, this one, Lashumia, Dhar Construction Company is executing. So it's going on again, stopped again.
Now it's decided it's a joint meeting with the urban and the last 3, 4, 5 months. It's already decided we'll stop that. We will come with a fresh proposal from the PUD road. Yeah, stop now. No more from one city.
So it will be completed when?
We are yet to sanction maybe in few months time, and maybe by this year we will get a good resurfacing road in the city.
So you will be reviewing all the smart city
Obviously,
roads,
I review from time to time, and all the works progress very smoothly.
so other parts of the city also.
Yeah, like for example, like more like Polo malls or the completed. 98% is completed. Only few malls left yet to inaugurate, and some of the rainforest projects will almost complete. Some of the parking is in progress. Hopefully, I think if not this 25 or so, hopefully by mid of 26 it should be completed. And we are awaiting for the next phase 2.0 smart city project.
Ke dapat ma bang klamla ban pendap ya kan ni ka project hapo ka smart city.
No, the reason is not we are unable to complete because the problem is that there is no access land. We get asked to have the project. There is some roads the road is very small, and there is some part to dock the road and put the abduct inside the road, so which disturb the people moving. So many factors are there, and we have decided after we listen to all these opinion from both the urban PUD, and we decided together we join meeting in the PUD department, so we decided to stop it, and now we are coming with fresh proposal from the PUD road, and the fresh proposal is yet to be sanctioned for resurfacing all these smart road in the city.
Don't you think this is additional expenditure?
No, not expenditure. No expenditure.
Ni I ba te pa half long pat men ha ni ka baslap ning kong du ke to ka yeng hadu ba ha ban pelat no ka yeng na ma ka jing slay jong to ka nang to ma pi don ka e bikin le ha ka to ka jaka.
No, now this is not from me, actually from PUD. It simply is identifying now all the waterlogging area now. So I think they will do that accordingly. That you see when heavy rain come, yes, flood is taking certain stretches. So and that is a continuous process, and we are always trying to look to correct all this measure, and that is from road, not from urban. And maybe even in that proposal, so is already even one of the issues raised by you. We are trying to widen if there is any place. We are trying
trying to lift up the road where there is a waterlogged or wetland drainage there. These are few corrections has to be done. I think CM has replied very clearly. First of all, it seems CM is yet to call a meeting, joint meeting, all political party together, including with the stakeholder together. We will discuss nicely all together and we will listen to the opinion. And don't worry, there will be no real project unless and until everybody is on board. Don't worry, we always work towards the people and we always take our own will on board. News, the airport authority has got enough expenses and hopefully I think within 26 itself we will be able to get big flight landing there.
Next year. So what are the difficulties now?
No difficulties now. The work yet to start. Tender has been floated.
The
When
different
tender is float, work will started and the acquisition process is almost complete from the DC. And when the DC is complete, so we will make a payment.
what about the defense lands?
Yes, everything is in order. Everything is in order.
So they will part with the land.
There is some part will part. That's no problem. We already discussed thoroughly. Everything should fall in place.
Kajantia Students Union JSU hakas balang jong katayo kalale yakendu ya UCEM ke JHADC ubat thombor shuan bat dawa ba day ban ai no objection certificate ban pentray ya ke project rel hapo ke district bat kala dawaru badai ban sange no ya ke jing ai trading license ya ke barjala hakikam khaye pateng kabala ban trehi dakitrai trai muluk.
Hakani kajing kendo yung Chief Executive Member ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ka Jantia Students Union kalapan pau bak persajur kanu kajing kemu ban ay ke NOC ya ke North East Frontier Railway. Banchna ke limpi rel ne ke station rel ne kinu kam ke bede bak project rel hari lum Jantia. Ka Jantia Students Union kalakan turu ya ke JHADC bakan mai kanu kajing bet tak hado bak sarkar Meghalaya kalayo kajing bet ak sarkar Pedeng ban krekam ya line permit hagajela. Namar kajing INOC klaim ke ILP kalak banlam kajing ma banamla bantek lakam na kajing wandong kertep gibreu gubernabar loong ka JSU. Barkene kan ketajur bahai kajing nong man kalariti ba kajing nong tenrai jejak binrio Jantia bat iki trai mulok kejela. Ka JSU kala dawaru na ka JHADC bagade bansange no ya kajing trading license ne kinu kajing bet gibreu bamde trai jela agabedai bat kajing okam yo jam kam tam ya agabedai bat kambela belak mentrehi da kitrai jela bakla dawaru nak GHADC bagi dibencim di kisim jam ke beteng e persya kiriu shimet ibele e ka benami belong bean katkom ka benami Transactions Prohibition Act ka kendai spak kendai pupra balada ka GHADC kamle e komta ka JSU dan memudoi shiping cari bandawa yala kahok
niliang yong ga Jantia Student Union senbei nilai cembo CEM Chief Executive Member yang ke JHADC hejing yeto wasudli gimat kemat gunungkong to nebenta wo pensenge ya kajing license thami ya ki non tribal khamtam ya ki kre gudang yi ki jaj bru yang kre kau ar hejing yeto waga NOC nebenta ka railway kawali ni benta ki ni bru ke pencak pertu ya ki non tribal ha ka khayi pateng ko so na benta wo chim action ya ki ni bru ke chim benta ha ka benami ak dan liang yong ika Jantia Student Union senbei da banjori how CM wo harkit hardang open senge ya kan ka jing license thami ya ki ni ki bru ke wanabar khamtam ni kre ki wadang yi ki bru yang kre dapat nadu ki kre kian gikre dia gi bruang gudang ji gukre handrei panman go kajing do nong go kru ya ka Jantia Hills yang ivro ko wi ni benta wato ya ni council ji go chimkhia hajing to bagani license jadi report la council le man go ko wi ne go duna haga budget haga yo ko kot te bon gi kha la gum em gi gi license ne benta pungku ya ga yo ko kot yang council te liang i Jantia Student Union banjori la ya council ne benta wo chim action le ne wo dawa na ki wo chim action ne benta gi bru ki wo practice ne benta gi ka benami transaction kajing klami wo CM ni gisngi de man go ko wa seiso na liang yang o do kularu wo chim kia ya so dali gi pon khamtam wo kham tam wo ra che ki si de benta wo rai wo pen sange no u e license thame kate man ko jing kular no CM hadin wa da yo ye kelamo CM gitu gi isu de benta ka license dan liang yong i ka jantia student lada ka council chim kia go ye ke jing kelam ni kesngi ni liang yong i ka jantia student uchim de gu luti de benta ka di isu
Kinoy alam ka Meghalaya SSA School Association ringkat bat ka Meghalaya Fourth Teachers School Association hakasi hat majai jong kata yo kelele ya kendu yo commissioner and secretary ketanat puli puti ke Sorkar Jilla ban put din halor ki mat jing dawa ba ke Sorkar kan shimti hino ban pinya ya ke school SSA
Kinong alam ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association Haka Jingdan Lang ka Meghalaya Fourth Teachers Association Haka Katsan Trip Yayong Arajar Arpusan Kilalit bani kendo yo Commissioner Secretary Ketanat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jilla u Vijay Kumar Menteri ban bud dian halor kimat jingdawa jogino hikai SSA Habakran ni kilat patai kubor uba Aristotle Rembai President jongyak Association ulong bagaje kendo agane si kalong menekran lo kesenjam jong Sorkar bakan chimtino ya ka management jong school SSA Bat ban shimtino ketanat Puli Putih ke ban kentop ya ke community school ki school jong kido shimet lane ki school jong ki sengbom de Sorkar Halor kania kami ipat skawi kejing bakane kejing betha kam syai kumta kilawan ban panjing syai hakane si bat kenturu yo commissioner bat secretary ketanat bun penjelan ne kepor kenang bagian laban IT ya kata kejing menjur jong ki halor kania nakal yang ketanat kelarai ban penjelan kania hado bandakut ubana yayong Panai lat ikini ki school ban perkat halor kani ke jingtmu jong ke Sorkar. Uba Aristotle Rembai ulok do ba agane ke jingelang lekren du halor kitu ki school bel ajung menjur ban IT no eka management jong ki syakatenat Puli Putih. Ba ketenat kana penyak cekmat ikani kam kat kum ki kendon hakatenat bat kum jo halor ki school SSA ba long try da ki mission nang ta pada ki riu shimet bat ki sengbam de Sorkar bat ki society bat ki bam ko apan IT ka management syakatenat Puli Putih ka kenhun kino hikai SSA kala jengmut bak Sorkar keriban ailat kino hikai SSA bakin beteng ya kejing hikai jengki hakum kini ki school hado bakin syong thai bat bak Sorkar kan ai ka juk kejing mentoi kino hikai ki bakloi ban ai ka management syakatenat Puli Putih dan ke Sorkar kala ban chim ki kum kino hikai grant and aid da ka ba ai katenat Puli Putih ban wan ra ekrukom siu tulap ke bathamai kapan kena usai katno kini aku tulap jongki rengkat kijing mentoy bikin yo kenang bagat omdan syu kata kejing isurok na kapor namar kajo ke kam bagi trai uba Aristotle Rembai uli etho ru blekran halor school SSA kiba omdan ki kena school lani ki beran tang khendiat ngot hapo jong kashphongut bagi kena school bakane kam dai bantri kam bakatenat kadai ban rano ikino hikai bagi kena school ki school ki bajan kiba biang ki kena puli
ke ka jingwan hi jongi menta kasngi bani kendo yi Sir Vijay Kumar Menteri Commissioner Secretary jong ka Education Department kalong ba ngin budin halor gitu kimat bangi dekren agini kor bala deputydin akabai dei bat ka initiative mo jong ka government nak bentaban take over no ki management jong ki SSA school sa ka Sorkar te nakaliang jong ka department hakini ki candidates ni kala de issue ya ka city bat kumjoro ya ka cinta na paro kini ki SSA school lagi de ki community school ni ki private ki mission ki NGOs and so on and so forth bakin aya ka consent jong ki na banta ba kilong billing ban handover ya ka management na ka SSA syaka education department te kat ba kinang serve ya kani ka notice ngi ngilap ba ki babon kini ki private mission mengta kini ki NGOs manage SSA school kami ka problem sangto ka problems ka bami kalong ba nakling jongki kim long shai hakbai dei bakani ka jintmu jongka government te hakbai dei bakani ka benta nakling jongi ngi la kran ya tai sani ba benta ba di commissioner secretary paninga kerpado yi ba in extend ya kani ka por nak bata bikin submit ya kanika willingness jongki di ila kulari ngi menta ba in extend up to the end of this month ya kini ki private ki mission school ki NGOs ki society makin shimya ka por jongki ban perkhat akbai dai berkani ka jingtmu jong ka government te makin submit ya kan ka willingness jong ki hapo jong mentau benai April ta ka number 1. Number 2 pat ngilai keren ya kitu ki school mau ki bela dep ai ki bala dep ai ya ka willingness jong ki na bentapan handover ya ka management na ka SSA sya ka education department ngi ong yo commissioner secretary ni ajimut ba kinang proses ya kaneka file kinang proses ya kaneka file kat kepada iban don kampan le kakum ka prosedur kepada iban le apo department kata ka number 2. Number 3 pat ya kitu ki school SSA school ki bala own ki private mission NGOs ni ki society ki ba mlong willing banai mo ki bom willing banai ya ka management sya ka government ngingil ai jimut ba taking into consideration ya ka service dan ni ka contribution ka ba kila renda barok sikata ban ai ya ka quality education apo jela jengila ni ban uplift ya ka education apo ka state jongi ngingil ai jimut ba ya kinong hikai de ban ai la iki ban continue kituki school dakaba nakalian jong ka sarkar kan ai ki ya kaju kajing mentoy kumba ai ya kitay kinong hikai kiba long willing mo pan ai ya ka management na ka SSA syaka government pat kani ngil ai jingmut bakin kon ba ka government kan ai la ki bat continue adu ka por bakin showtai lani ngai ka option ya ka government lani ka government kala ban consider ki as a grant in its school mo grant in its school but kidai ban yo ya ka jingmentoy la kumno ban wanra ya ka pay structure ka ba thamai ka pay structure ka ba thamai ka ba daw shai ba ki kanno kinyo ya ka jingsiu kamut ka salary jongki but ki jingmentoy ki bang yo ma kumban sukan kan mau ngitip ba hasti jongi kidon shibon kita ki grant in its school shibon kategori kidon ki deficit pattern ad hoc ki Hindi teachers or fourth teachers but kum ta ter science grant mo tingi a jimut ba yakini baro de ban penuan haju ban wanra da ka pay structure ko balong samai ko balong very clear kini ki grant in its school kinlong uniform kinlong kinyo kajo nang ba kanom non shu kada ka jingni surok na kapor bandawa ban tentiu tulok ni bandawa iki incentive na bentaki ino hikai namar at the end of the day ka workload mo ka bangi te ka kejo ka service ka bangi ai ka kejo tingila ai jumut ya ka department ba dalong ka bala ba ka government kan consider hakabay day ba kito ki school SSA ka balong ki bom willing ban ai ba kin ka shimeki kum ki grani di school but kin penbait maya kaneka pay structure but ya ka facilities na nika incentive ka ba inong hikai idaiban yo nata kabalay kabangi ong ba kani kam day ban trekam ya kitu ki SSA school ki balong zero enrollment but single digit enrollment students ya kani ngi ajig mutpat ba ya kum kita ki school ka government ka dayban rano yitu no hikai but kitu ki kena sa nearby school where there is better students enrollment tikini ki bangila ajig mut mata ki bangila keren bar commissioner secretary na kaliang junguro agree ba kilong reasonable kani ka points ka bangi but ulong yo ba next week we will call an official meeting ka jing ron katlem ba ki DSEO ba ki SDSEO but ki officer na ka tenat puli puti but kum joro ka jing ron katlang jumi ki association baro lightly kata ka Meghalaya SSA school association all Meghalaya SSA school teachers association but ka Meghalaya for teachers association
Ka-Office u Block Mission Coordinator SSA Siman Umling Block Resource Center, Riboy District, haga sibalang kalapan ko buram yaki katsan tali ki school bat yaka BMC Umling Block, kabalawan haga kerdan kabaha kamat haga jing pentrekam yaka Tobacco Free Educational Institution, TOFE, neban penlong yaki school kibalait nakajing di tuma.
Ban ai men siam bat ban itu agajing IT met ban men siam jang school ban bot tek agajing kamu jang sarkar pedeng ban pelagi school nagajing di duma bat kajing dia yagi duma nakaliang ka office block mission coordinator SSA SEMAM Umling Block Resource Center jang district Riboy haga khandro trek wiayong arajar arpusan kelapen ko buram ki khatsan teligi school kumjo yang ke BMC Umling Block kabalopoi ka kedan ka bahajrong haga bede bagajing pentrekam ya ka thong.com ka Tobacco Free Educational Institution ne ka TOFE Ya kini ke tofei ke dei ke thong jong sarkar pedang man penlong ya kislam ajeng start balat na kejung penan kami duma. Ne giwei ki jing di jing bam do shna duma. Bagi jing perking ru ya ke jing di kini ke jing di duma ajan ki kerpong jong ki skol. Bat ban penslor ke benta ka jing kya jing kina pule. MLA ke nongpo constituency ba Meral Bonds ia mula benta ko mukongsan bansam ki kusnam ha ke jing ran lang ka Rudy Zaddas joint director kong KB Jerwa District School Education Officer bat kiwi. Abakran dengan negasi ba Meral Bonds ia mula penpau ke jing kemen ke makrau ban saki ya ke jing benta ke bachet hem jong ki school ban penurlong ke nega thong jong ke sarkar ban penslur ya ke jing kai ki kena ha ke bede ba ka kya da ke bakyar ru ya ke jing di duma. Ulai ke jing ro ke bakrau ki school ke belayo ke jing itu ke bakerpang na ke sarkar jela ban buat tek ya ke nega thong ban perking ya ke jing di duma da ke bakentu jor ki nong penya jong ki school bat kena school bakin ya kon ban kyar na ke jing di duma bagi jing di buat kam tam yu drugs bat aku jog por ban minot ke jing pule kena mungkin long brio man brio aga lawai jong ki
about CM guidebook, about pass percentage and all. We understand in a vibrant democracy, there is always merit and demerit. To every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. That is natural. If you done good thing also, critics will always be there, criticism will always be there, and we'll look forward for a constructive criticism. And we have seen this year, it is tremendous result that has come out. As I have said in my opening remark, merit, demerit is always there. As legislator, whenever we pass any legislation in the House, be it in State Legislative Assembly or be it in Parliament, there is always merit and demerit to any legislation. That's why there is amendment to make it better days to come. When we found out any loopholes and all, it has to be corrected through amendment. At the same time, we experience this year also. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the schools, especially who have produced students who have become topper, top 20 in SSLC 2025. Many schools from Rivoi district also we have seen. Let us not take it as a negative result. That is my personal feeling. This is the time, changes is always there. We are living in the world of changes, in the world of change, time and again. But let us be very optimistic. We have to be very optimistic, we have to be positive from now onward. We understand there are loopholes here and there within the system. But we have to go ahead with a positive mind so that we can fight it. Now, Rivoi district being an aspirational district, there are many facilities that has been provided by the central government. We have witnessed since 2018-19 onward, especially in the field of education, health, and sanitation, and other parameters that has been inscribed within the aspirational district criteria. And I'm not saying that school in Rivoi district we have achieved 100% in general category. Even though in Delta ranking, in aspirational district, sometimes we are number 1, sometimes we are number 3, sometimes we are number 2. It's like that. Despite of all the challenges that we face, but still we are moving ahead with a positive mind. Hats off to all the school, to the teachers. We have different pattern of school in our state, government or ad hoc or deficit, SSA or even fully private. Teachers sometimes, with due respect, run from leader to post to fight for a right, salary, but still I've seen a positive mind within the teachers fraternity. As a legislator, we have been trying from time and again to ensure that with regard to different facilities, that you are entitled to get, we are there with you. I'm not saying that whatever we are trying to do, 100% it will be positively, we will be getting within a day or two, but it will take time. So my humble request to each and every one of you is that let us work together, despite of many challenges, which is always there.
Kajing ang nur kipat ba na kipratali kisnong katan bhoirambong banyo e kajing sumar habakipang kishitom kala urlong hakala sing ublay jong katayo da kajing play ya kanong trao sub center health and wellness center.
Kibor katanan kakoi kakya ke distrik Boya kakat saukai yong arhajar usan. Lepun urlong ya kajing ang nur kipat ba jing pratali kisnong kedan hagatan bhoirambong. Haga bahagi ni sini layo banteno ekanong trao sub center health and wellness center. Ya kini sub center lawan banteno ba do ba taman ba namari amani ko ba constituency ko kongsan haga jinan lang di Dr. E Kardut District Medical and Health Officer Kariboy, Pak Robert Bentep ng National Trao, di Officer na Kagakya, Dr. Nurse, Dr. Asya Bakikiwi. Laban gerong ni bagi padba ni kepat Kishnong, banyak jumen toy kebakau dan bagi jumdan dengan sub-center, kigentup bagi Kishnong Nong Trao Bangla, Lum Dengan, Lumrit, Kerdeng, Wak Mentat, Mauduk, Bak Unsar. Ya kejiksa kini nong trao sub-center lambang pisal ba kapiam abhim NHM agak jumlah berkot samsan lak pengkap peru dagan nong trao VHC habakran kumukongsan agak negasngi ubah daman bat lamare ula agak jingnya ro agak jingla menteri hok bagi nong yalam kanong trao VHC kibala ban pendap agak jing tei ya kanong trao sub-center kemenong gajing mentoy kebakrau ki pratli kisnong Ulang bagi nong song shnong kidi ben chim kabu na kajingdan jangan ne kajaka sumar. Kamtam gitu kilong kemei ba armet ki kilong kena banyak kajing sumar ke bapaka bagi lalat ru bandet cedok ke Boirembong CHC. Shosho ula kentu gibor jangan nong trao sub center bagian ai kajing syakri ke bahok bag ke bejanai na ke bentai kipat ba jangan ne katang bad ban om trei tang na ke bentai ketulop. Baru ula benrap ru bokum kawini kajaka ajing sumar ke depan kiar ru na kajing syap untuk obria.
Ai bagian sub center kan long ka basakri bha sakri khambha eka koi ka khya jong ka ni ka than hi brokwe ba jong ka ni ka snong hi brokwe pada don kanu ka jing nga ku mu emle no yalam jong ka ni ka than ka dong ka jong hi nga kloi ban penbit penbiang lele ban pende lele ban pendak penbiang ya kita kejing duna kipadan apa kani ke sub center. Akwa iro kejing kwa kajongahi bagi ni ke staff ni kinong tre apa kani ke sub center ro kinlong kibajai bat kinlong hiro kipadan mensim ban sakri ya kipai ba agano kaliang. Amar pon sen menta perteingi kejuk pementa Hagi di mora tanga ka hel hagi department ki beper ki boni long ki besutre ban suap long kutnai banginyo ya ka jingsiu le ka tulop ka jongi ya kamban tre bat kim don na dum sem kata ga dei ka besniu ha ja karpat long ba hagi ni ki por si ban sawan na do bangin mata ka si ga dei ka si ba play ka ni ka sub center ki nong tre bat ki staff ni Hindi bateri duk mensim bat lepat mensim lagi nompang ini ki patient. Nga kermen skemiro bahagi por kisngi kisnem ki bansawan ki bansalay. Kung mamentaga sngi kadai ka sngi bangin plero ay kani ka sub center. Bahagi snem hagi por ki bansawan kinamdon ka aka ka jingya tu kana ka basniu dan ka aka complain ka belum negatif. Naman taga ni sub center to poch nong trao kajing kwa ka jonga badhiro kajing kwa ka jong pibarohi kan long ka service ka babit ka babiang badhiro kuma pala pendi ka tu script menta tu goi ka te moral ka pendi ba ni don't come at inum dei sore banyai aga tu lunti ka jok ka pemendai ngire banyai no aga lunti ka bujuk ka pementa namar khnang ba ya ka jingbit jingbiang ya ka kwa ka khia na benta ka jong ka kumei ba na benta jong ikhunro nga agani ka por ka jingkar par ka jonga ya baro phat ligi ni snong bagani ka sub center ka ladon benta Hani hajan hasnong jong pi imde sure sejengai. To soba pendon kambhaya ka. Pendon kambhaya ka. Wan hero kumala yo ingi tu model jong tu script. Te khamtam kani ka sab sentari kade ekinong khakun ba wadnam bot sai ka tu dusturiti jong ke barim pan khabe haying to soba wat ni sab center ki tiar gitar ki staff ki lapiang khnang ba pinyo ye ka jing sumar ka papaka ba ka wet ku babiang ba hero ye ka kmeru kan long ka babha ba khamtam mi khlung iban su nang susang mayo i ko pertiru kan long ka babit ka babiang ka babha ba inyo ban he ban san te grukum ka bade.
Habang inya peteng biang iki kubor sa sisingin penkan mau ya kimat pekong sanjong ke kubor mentaka tayo. Beta usembut minturang ba ban khangla di kinong Bangladesh ban manrung tu sepok kajela. Kajuat banyasat halor kimat jing dawa hadeli namar ke jing bom yatuli ki MP ka than chatel mingi ong UMP ka Raja Sabha. Bentip Syakipulin lada syak dawa pisah hai keseng bhalang ong usembut minturang ba. Krat Hashim kawi kalong kemi mensaujur unong nyak skuti batenra katerot ha kesurak Shillong bypass. Kentu kibor penyat distrik ya ki jaka pulie ban pediang bonut ki khangna pulie ki bapas ya ki SSLC. Watnam INOC ban shna ya ke projek rel kat ba 4 yo shwa ya ke ILP ong ke Jantia Students Union. Ban yashim benta bon teli ke school ha ke school sports ke bala penlong da ke school St Edmunds. Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC hakalak sing ublay jong katayo kala penlong ya kecing rakhi ya kecing dap nyau paulai snem jongka dah ke ba penlong ya ke program ha district auditorium tura.
Kum shibenta jong kecing rakhi dap nyau paulai snem jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Bukemiru ya ketenat District Council Affairs uba Preston Tunsong ula di ukiek ha kabalai dan lang Chief Executive Member ka GHADC u Albinosh Armarak ki MDC bat kiwe-kiwe bat penipu ipeng ya kene kejing rakhe lang ba kejing ruai bat kejing syat tenrai nagi kena jong school boper. Haba kerana kejing lang uba Preston Tunsong ula kentu ya ka GHADC banamar bagadai ka belasya pen ko board pura ha ka 6th schedule jong keritisin syari. Ba kamdai ban klet ba kendai pun rio haduk kendai pun prana kesispa ke jakai keberan ha Kejela Meghalaya. Kira ki bahap apa jong 6th schedule baru luang ba kanu gejat ben rio na Kejela ke belong try la ka kendo ke siap kalak ban penek pensa la dia nak ke pateng syakawai pat. Nalor kene uli ro ya kinong elam ke berem Kejela ke belan nak senyang ha kejeng kun ban penyo ela ke jong Kejela. Uba Preston Tunsong lepen kan mauru bo Captain Williamson sangma ude unong elam bakrau jong gejat ben rio Garo. Baru dia Chief Executive Member Benengkong jangka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, badu Menteri Rang Ba Benengkong jangka Kejela Meghalaya. Uba Preston ula kenturu ya kejing dan kam ban penklanca show ke 6th schedule, bad ke board terekam jangka council, badu ula banjor ya kejing Longkongsan jangka District Council.
Heart or late leader continue to serve as the minister then, I don't think you'll be able to speak Garo language. I don't think Khasi language will be there. I don't think our mother tongue will be there. But we are as we are today. Let us not forget the greatest leader we have in the region. Sometimes the generation today, we tend to forget this. How precious sacrifices has been made, nobody knows. So therefore, my dear children, please don't forget this incident, and please don't forget our forefathers. It's just because of them we are as we are today. It is just because of them. Now proudly we become like this. And now we can stand our own. So let us not forget about it. So coming back to the journey of this council in Garo Hills, 73 years today you attain.
Ringkat bat kejala Assam, kipat ba jong kenong ba shalong ru kamtam kijai benriu Assamese mentah kata yau kila penlong ya kejing raki ya karong gali bihu ne ke Assamese New Year dah kejing kemen bat kejing ipo iping.
Ya kejing rakhe ka Rongali Bihu ha kanong ba Shillong la penlong da ke Shillong Central Rongali Bihu Celebration Committee Bishnupur. Ha ka bala rakhe ya kasnam thamai ke Assamese da kejing kemen ba kejing sobha ka bala ne laismi. La penlong ya kejing rakhe banwan ra kejing teli jongjat bin rew ba pher ba la pani pu ipiang da kejing ruai ba kejing shat tan rai ban pen I ya ka rong karob bat ya ka lariti ka bala le nadu ki por ki ba menchwa. Sunit Kumar Pukanu General Secretary ke Komiti Ulong bagidan laijat ki jingle ek bihu nda ke bakong san bha kadai ka bohak bihu ka badai ke por jong ke jingle ek men la sngobha Ulong bagila penlong ke jing rakhi ek bihu na du bala seng ke komiti ya ke bala antat ba kadai ke senam syajar khandai spa sau pho bat kadai ke jing rakhi jongki ke lakan jo menta syakahan rup khandai senam Ulong ba ke bihu kadai ka Assamese New Year bat kadai ke branjing dai bha ba ke jing em kamariang bat kalariti Bakadairu kaba ki babon hi ki barakhi kemen yaka ki degi samla lang bagi jingruai bagi jing syar baper ban penlong ya kan ki jing rakhi kaba shongkun
Ka St. Edmund School hakas balang jong katayo kala penlong yak annual school sports bat ka drill display hakaba buon tali ki school na kaleng jong ka nong ba shalong kilawan banya shimbanta hakani ki jing yakob kamtam hakaban pini yala ka sap ka phong hakijing elekai Te paralog na kaliang kejong PCN ya ai kublai ke Easter ke basuk pakemen bat padap jeng kerku ya pi baro. Bat da kitu ki kubor ngi pen kut no ya ketup kubor jangi mentah kata yo kublai shibor.